This episode is on the abortion pill case and how a lot of commentators got the decision, well, all wrong. Within the last week, the United States Supreme Court published its opinion in FDA versus Alliance for Hippocratic Medicine. More commentators than I could count reported on the case incorrectly, saying that the High Court upheld the legality of the abortion-inducing drug mifepristone. In reality, the Supreme Court simply punted, leaving the law exactly as it was before the plaintiffs brought their case to ban the drug, not saying anything about the law itself. The case was decided entirely upon the legal principle of standing, not on the merits of the case. The Supreme Court described the principle of standing it relied upon, saying federal courts do not operate as an open forum for citizens to press general complaints about the way in which government goes about its business. To obtain a judicial determination of what the governing law is, a plaintiff must have a personal stake in the dispute. In this case, the plaintiffs are an association of doctors who sought essentially to rescind approval of the abortion-inducing drug or to rescind FDA's regulatory actions. The doctors prevailed at the trial court level, and the Fifth District Court of Appeals ruled that the doctors had standing, but that the doctors were unlikely to succeed in the challenge of drug approval, but likely able to show the FDA actions were unlawful. At the Supreme Court level, the doctors were shown to lack standing. On this, the court explained that to have standing, one must demonstrate, one, that one suffered or likely will suffer an injury in fact, two, that the injury likely was caused or will be caused by the defendant, and three, that the injury likely would be redressed by the requested judicial relief. In this case, the High Court determined that plaintiffs failed to show an injury in fact, and that, lacking an injury, the plaintiffs could not establish the remaining elements of standing that I recited above, namely causation of injury and effective judicial remedy. As you can discern, there was no decision on the merits of the abortion pill issue. The only thing decided is that the Association of Doctors improperly put a case in federal court. The court punted the abortion pill issue, well, altogether.